Guide for replacing SHG6813 steel wire rope. Use a tool to unscrew the screws that secure the front bezel and remove it. Lift the counterweight head. Insert the counterweight pin into the first few counterweights. Remove the steel wire rope from the square fixture of the cam disc at one end. The steel wire rope is pulled out from the clamp of the cam disc on the other end through the pulley. One end of the steel wire rope is first fixed in the cam disc fixture. The other end is guided along the pulley and reaches the fixture of the cam disc on the other side. Restore the counterweight head and counterweight pin to their original state. Adjust the tension of the steel wire rope and then reassemble the front baffle.